Hi everyone, this is Kate Lincoln-Goldfinch with a newsletter about U visas. As you probably know, the U visa is a visa for victims of crime who have assisted law enforcement in investigating the visa. And one of the things about the U visa is it can take a long time to get approved. It's a multi-step process where we get a certification from law enforcement and then we apply with immigration and you wait for what's called a bona fide determination, and then you get the approval after almost a 9 or 10-year wait. But we've had some good developments in the bona fide determination process, which is the point at which you get a work permit. And we're actually seeing work permits coming in about a year to 2 years after we apply. But the thing that's really important is that if you are in the U visa process, that you know how to protect yourself if you get detained. Because technically, the U visa is not protection against deportation, but if you do get picked up, sometimes you can halt or slow down a deportation if you have a U visa pending and you have proof of that. But the other thing that's really critical to know is that if you, let's say you have a U visa pending and you get pulled over or you get detained, it's going to be up to you in those early moments of detention to stop your deportation by telling the ICE officer that you have a fear of being returned to your country, if that's true, and by not signing anything. Because often what they're doing is trying to get people to agree to a deportation very rapidly. And what we want to do as your representatives, if you have a U visa pending, is protect you from being deported so that you can stay here while your case is pending. But if you don't stop the deportation in those early moments, we sometimes lose that opportunity after you've gone home. So this is a lot of information. The key thing to keep in mind is if you have a U visa pending, there are ways that we can protect you and halt your deportation. But if you get picked up, make sure that you don't sign anything and you don't agree to a deportation rapidly. Those are the important things that we want you to know. If you have any questions, reach out to us or your legal team. You know how to find us.